In this video, I will show you how to download, install and set up WeChat for the first time. So let's go. Go on Play Store, search WeChat. Here we go. And just click on install. After you download and install WeChat application, open it and click on sign up. You can do it with your phone number or with your Facebook. It's the same process, but with the phone number, it's just without the linking Facebook. So we're gonna use mobile. And now just put here your name. Here you need to choose your prefix for your country. So I'm gonna do Slovakia and just put here your number. 333, okay. Enter some password and just click on sign up. You need to agree with some privacy policies, and yeah, I have read and accept. And now you will do verification. I think first one is you need to grab some object and move it to the right place, yes. So they make sure you are not robot or AI technology. Yeah, like this, pretty easy. And now you will get the code. And you just put this code here, verification code 422985. Next. You can choose your photo, but you don't need to do it now. We can do it later. Just put here your name and click on sign up. You need to complete your personal info. Date of birth here. Perfect. Yeah, you can add your friends. You can allow your contacts. I'm gonna do it. And that's it. This is how you can download, install and set up everything in WeChat for the first time. Guys, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, please subscribe and see you one click later. Bye.